Hello friends, in today's session we will be studying the working of XY recorders. XY recorders are instruments that will help us to plot XY graphs which will show the dependence between two variables. Suppose we need to plot the dependence between force and strain or displacement and force, we can use this instrument. In many physical systems, we need to relate between two physical quantities, right? Sometimes we may need to obtain graphs showing the dependence of these quantities. So XY recorders can be used in such cases. Whatever be the inputs, first they need to be converted into their equivalent voltages using transducers. Even if the inputs are force and strain or displacement and strain, any inputs should be converted to equivalent voltages and should be fed into the suitable channels. Suppose we need to plot force along the x-axis and strain along the y-axis. The equivalent voltage corresponding to force should be fed at the x input and the voltage corresponding to the strain should be fed as the y input. Then these voltages are first compared with a reference source voltage inside the XY recorder. So the X input as well as the Y input are compared with the same reference source and the balance is given to the chopper. The reference source comparison with the reference source is important because the two inputs are coming from two different sources, two different transducers, right? We need a comparison before it is directly fed into the recording device. So whatever be the inputs, they are first compared with the reference voltage and the balance is given to chopper. What does a chopper do? A chopper makes pulses from the input DC voltage, right? So we can consider a chopper as a DC to AC converter. So chopper will convert the DC signal coming from the two inputs into AC signals. And these AC signals are fed into an amplifier, AC amplifier, probably an op-amp. The chopper is used to convert to AC because it is easy to amplify AC signals than DC signals. So this amplifier will amplify our AC signal and will serve the resulting voltage into the servo motor. These motors are controlling the motion of a pen along the y direction and the x direction. This motor, for example, is controlling the motion of this pen along the y direction. This is the y direction in this equation. And this motor will be controlling the motion of the pen along the x direction, along this direction. So, according to the input voltages from the x and y inputs, the pen will be moving along the x and y directions. So what you will get finally, an XY plot indicating the dependence of the x variable and the y variable will be your output. Let's see a graph like this. This is an example of a graph obtained from XY recorder. The pen is moving depending on the control by the x input and the y input. This pen will be moving to left or right or up and down. The resulting graph will be anything like this. More about the XY recorder is included in your textbook. You can read about the specifications and the other criteria of this device from the textbook of instrumentation by Kelsey. Hope you understood the working. Thank you.